Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 Triumph TR3A Sports Roadster, finished in signal red, black interior, 4-speed, disc wheels with those little white-walled tires, factory hardtop luggage rack, double black plate California car. This car's always lived here in California. We sourced it locally here. So the rust issue on this car is at a very, very minimum, being a lovely little Southern California car. We purchased this locally here in the valleys, and this is a really good car for restoration. Super, super straight, good panel fit, all together, all complete. I believe this car originally was Old English white with maybe a blue interior, because the dashboard's still painted blue. Little bit of a ding there on the trunk lid. That could be an easy repair. We tried to clean this car up and buff it, but the paint's just really old. It's just really cheap, older paint. So really good project here. Nice little TR3A with its 4-speed and simple disc wheels. Really no accidents that I can see. Pretty decent looking windshield on this car. This is the rare factory hardtop. Metal. Fits the car nicely. Probably originally came with the car. Interior wise, the car's fitted with adjustable steering. Like I said, it's got that dark blue dashboard, and we can see remnants of the car being painted white. But there's the door panels. Seats are in actually really good shape. These are really nice condition vinyl seats that were reupholstered at some point as part of, a little bit of work done to the car. But like I said, pretty good panel fit, really good rockers. Take a look at all the still photos for the car's undercarriage. It's fitted with loop carpet. All the gauges are correct except the water temp, which is the first gauge typically to go on those. But pretty original interior. I can see all the original corner wheel wells there. So let's take a look in the trunk. This is a really interesting period luggage rack that goes on the car. But in here we can see it's nice and clean, and it's not rusty. It doesn't look like it's had any major accidents anywhere. Even back here looks pretty tidy. So fix that. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a very good, honest double black plate TR3A Sports Roadster, good little car for restoration. The engine turns. I'm sure we can get this thing to run on a can of gas and battery. But do brakes, you can probably turn it into a driver and do a little bit of upholstery and maybe keep it in the current condition that it is. So good potential going forward here. Really doesn't need a ground-up restoration if you're interested in keeping this current paintwork and the bonus of that factory hardtop. So there it is, 1959 Triumph TR3A convertible, signal red, black interior, 4-speed, disc wheeled, thin white wall tires. No, we're not actually done yet. We gotta take a look into the engine bay there, but yeah, take a look at all the still photos. Nice clean engine compartment in its original white color. And this car's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.